Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Wave Buds with your iPhone. And to do this, you have to first remove this earbuds from the charging case. Right now they will move to the pairing mode automatically, and all you have to do is just to open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and right here you have to select your JBL Wave Buds. Right now, when you are successfully connected, I can also recommend you to open the the App Store, and get the JBL headphones application. There we go. So click just right here. Right now, let's open it. Click allow and accept every permission that will pop on your screen. Click to get started. Click OK. And as you can see right now, we've got our headphones connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.